Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever wondered how those cool custom metal frames and parts are made? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving headfirst into the awesome world of custom metal fabrication. Think of it as metal magic, but with sparks and a whole lot of skill. So, what exactly is custom metal fabrication? Simply put, it's the art of taking raw metal and shaping it into, well, pretty much anything you can imagine. We're talking everything from custom bike frames to unique artwork and even parts for your dream project. It's all about bringing your ideas to life, one weld at a time. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The core of metal fabrication revolves around a few key processes. First up, we have welding. This is where we join pieces of metal together using heat. Imagine it like gluing metal, but way cooler. There are different types of welding, like MIG metal inert gas welding, which is great for beginners, and TIG tungsten inert gas welding, which is like the advanced version, giving you super precise control. Next, we've got brazing. Think of brazing as welding's slightly more sophisticated cousin. Instead of melting the base metal, you use a filler metal with a lower melting point to join the pieces. It's often used for joining dissimilar metals, or in situations where you want to avoid warping the material. It's like a fancy, heat-based bonding. Finally, we need to shape the metal. This is where things get really fun. We can cut it, bend it, and form it into pretty much anything. There are tons of ways to do this, from using simple hand tools to massive machines. The key is knowing how the metal behaves, and how to coax it into the desired shape. Think of it as metal origami, but with power tools. But wait, there's more. Beyond these core processes, metal fabrication also involves things like metal selection. Different metals have different properties, so choosing the right one for the job is crucial. For example, if you need something strong and durable, you might go with steel. If you're after something lightweight, aluminum could be your best bet. Then there's the design phase. This is where the magic truly begins. You start with an idea, maybe a sketch or a blueprint, and then figure out how to make it a reality. This involves planning how to cut, shape, and assemble all the pieces. It's like a puzzle, but with metal. Safety is also incredibly important. Always wear the right protective gear, including a welding helmet, gloves, and safety glasses. You're working with heat, sparks, and potentially harmful fumes, so protecting yourself is key. Think of it like a metal-working superhero suit. You've got to suit up. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just curious, custom metal fabrication is an amazing field. It's all about creativity, problem-solving, and making cool stuff. From welding to shaping, it's a world of possibilities. So, go out there, get your hands dirty, and start creating. You might just surprise yourself with what you can build.